everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today I will talk about what crystal label made by UV DTF Transfer Film is. We use UV Flatbed Printer to print crystal labels. It is a decorative process that prints pattern and trademarks on unique PET films with release layers such as glue, white ink, and varnish. Covers the transfer film and then use the transfer film to take up the pattern and transfer it to the surface of the object. UV DTF film is also called magic film. The MLQ of crystal label by UV DTF film is only one piece. It can save the cost of packaging customization for the majority merchant. We have two kinds of UV DTF transfer film for printers can print UV adhesive glue or not. Please inform us if your printer with UV adhesive glue or not when you send us an inquiry. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.